Today we're here at Unit 6, Number 2, Lake Weyba Drive, and this is a property that has been completely reimagined. From landscaping to lighting, there is nothing that hasn't been done to make this one of the most luxurious offerings that you will see, and we can't wait to show you. So come with me, let's take a look.